Okay, this is 1317 North Palmway. This is coming from across the street. There's a one-car garage, the front of the house, and around we see the side yard. There's the side yard, and now going in through the front door. This is the living room, dining room combination. Moving in, we'll go into the first bedroom, which is here. I get adjusted, and then you see, go around to this side so we get on the way out. And there's the closets. And then this is the bathroom. You got a sink, toilet. Now going into the second bedroom, which is presently used as a studio / office. Swing around. Closet in the back. And then going through to the kitchen. This is kitchen. And then behind that curtain is another door to the garage. It's used for storage now for things. The laundry room. Separate washer and dryer. And coming around. And this is what would be like a little sunroom. Is presently used also as a art studio. And then going outside. Okay, so there's a gate here, gate door, and a little outdoor shower. And this is the backyard. Oh, there's a little shed right here, and viewing the yard that way. And then we go back around. This is a second gate that goes back to the side yard, which in the house next door. And that's it.